Okay, I want to make a video on this new Hercules 20V brushless lithium-ion quarter-inch compact brushless impact driver combo kit. Alright, this is the impact driver that I got, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I've had this one for about 3 or 4 months, and I've been using it pretty often, and I just want to go over a few things about it. Alright, this is what it looks like. Okay, it's got a little place right here where you can put a bit. Okay, it's got a pretty good, comfortable ergonomic grip on it. Okay, it's got a safety on it. Okay, it's brushless like I said, but let me go ahead and go over these key features that it has. Okay, the first thing that I want to point out is that this has a what you call a forward mode selector, which means you have speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and you also have auto mode. Okay, here is the selection on the impact wrench right here, and I got it on automatic right here. That's usually what I keep it on. And here's the bright LEDs. Of course, you can see that. Usually when I use this, I keep it on automatic, but you just push that button right there and you can change them. Let me show you. Automatic 1, 2, and 3, like that. And there's automatic, and I'm just going to leave it like that. And that's good for what you call self-tapping screws, or the bolt removal mode. So I just use it on, usually just keep it on automatic right here, and for me it works just fine. Now, I purchased this as a kit. It was $97. It included the charger. I got it right here, and a 2-amp battery. Let it fill over right here. Okay, box back over here. But it's got a 2-amp battery included with that kit right there, and I'll show you the back of it right here. Put it around here. This is a battery indicator. You push this and it gives you the amount of charge the battery has. Okay, it's also 4.3¼ inches long. Okay, and that's like from here to here. Okay, it comes, it has what you call a one-handed quick change hex for bits. So you can like pull it out with one hand right there and pull out the other bit right here with the other hand. So it's pretty convenient. Okay, it also comes with a clip. Here's the clip on this side right here for your belt, and on this side is a bit holder. Okay, this also has 2,200 foot-pounds of torque. It has plenty of power to do everything you need around the house. That's why I bought it, to just do general stuff around the house. Okay, just went over the ergonomic grip right here. It's pretty comfortable. It's got a pretty decent trigger on it right here. You can turn it on. This goes, that's right, this is left, like that. And you put it in the middle, and it's got a safety on it. It also has some pretty bright LED, 3 bright LED lights. Okay, gives a pretty, that works pretty good in the dark when you have to use it. Okay, the construction of it, it's all metal gear construction, and like I said, it has 2,200 inch-pounds of torque, which is pretty good for something like this. But like I said, I've been using it for several months, maybe about 3 or 4 months, and you know, it's good for little uses around the house, hanging drapes, doing things outside. You know, it comes in pretty handy. But also, I went over this fast charger right here. This is not only for a 20 volt, it's also for a 12 volt. Hercules has 12 volt products, and this will work for those type of batteries also. So it's a combo kit, $97. I got it at at a Harbor Freight. It was on sale, and I can tell you that it's well worth the money for what you get. And not only that, it comes with a 5-year warranty for the power tool, and also a 3 years warranty on the battery and the charger. So remember, brushless, okay? Brushless and lithium-ion. So go to Harbor Freight. In my opinion, spend $97, and it'll probably be the best $97 you ever spent. So thanks for watching.